Do you feel stiff, tired, or tight after workouts or long hours sitting? What if just a few minutes of stretching every day could improve your flexibility, boost performance, reduce stress, and even prevent injuries? In today's video, we will explore 7 powerful benefits of stretching for men and why every man should add stretching to his daily routine. Stretching helps improve flexibility and mobility. Tight muscles limit movement and can make even simple activities uncomfortable. Regular stretching helps your muscles and joints move more freely, improving posture balance and overall body movement. Whether you lift weights, run, or sit at a desk all day, flexibility matters. Stretching prepares your muscles for action. Dynamic stretching before workouts increases blood flow and activates muscles for better performance. Athletes often use stretching to improve speed and increase range of motion. Stretching can enhance muscle control and reduce stiffness. If you want better workouts and stronger performance, stretching is essential. Tight muscles are more likely to get injured. Stretching helps muscles stay flexible and adaptable during movement. Regular stretching may help reduce muscle strains, joint pain, and lower back discomfort. Just a few minutes daily can protect your body long-term. Stretching is not only physical, it is mental too. Deep breathing combined with stretching relaxes the nervous system, reduces stress, and improves mental clarity. Many men feel calmer, more focused, and less tense after a stretching session. Poor posture is extremely common today because of desk jobs, phones, and long sitting hours. Stretching the chest, shoulders, hips, and lower back can help restore proper posture and reduce stiffness. After workouts, muscles become tight and sore. Static stretching after exercise can improve circulation and relax muscles. This helps reduce soreness and supports faster recovery. Stretching supports healthy aging by keeping muscles and joints mobile. Men who stretch consistently often maintain better movement, less stiffness, improved mobility, and greater physical confidence. Stretching is one of the simplest habits for long-term health. Here is a simple daily stretching routine. Morning neck rolls, shoulder circles, and a hamstring stretch are a great start to the day. Before workouts, do leg swings, arm circles, and walking lunges to activate muscles. After workouts, include quad stretch, chest stretch, and child pose to help recovery. Even 10 minutes a day can make a huge difference. Stretching is one of the most underrated tools for men's fitness and health. It improves flexibility, performance, recovery, posture, and mental well-being, all with just a few minutes daily. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to start stretching today. For more powerful health and fitness content, visit HUMANITYUAPD.com.